Hello everybody, welcome to the Rajdhani Coaching Center. We are again here after the grand success of BPSC TRE1 and TRE2. Let us start with the syllabus of TRE3. It's a golden opportunity for everyone to connect yourself with this platform. जैसा कि आप सबको पता है बीपीएससी टीआरई 1 और टीआरई 2 में हमने इस प्लेटफॉर्म से कंप्यूटर साइंस विषय के लिए 100% हम लोगों ने रिजल्ट दिया है एंड वी कैन प्राउडली से कि वी आर रेडी विथ आवर टीम टू प्रोवाइड 100% रिजल्ट इन टीआरई 30 also. As far as for the subject of computer science is concerned, for class 11th and 12th, we are having the specific syllabus. You must know that first of all, you will have to face the language questions which will be of 30 marks and that is the qualifying subject. The question will comes from Hindi and English with the combination of 30 marks and minimum eligibility is 12 marks. After that, we will have the GK and GS that will be of 40 marks. It is up to you as much as marks you are going to score that will be beneficial for you. Now coming towards the computer science that is of 80 marks. So scoring will be 80 plus 40 and this particular 30 is for the qualifying. Now I am going to discuss about the plan that how we are going to calculate the subject of computer science. You know very well that the computer science is the subject in which we will have to start the contents from the fundamentals of the computer, the basics of the computer, in which we have to discuss about the different types of computer, the generations of computer programming language, the different types of translator, how we are having the interpreter and compiler to be used, and mind it, the content that I am going to discuss here, you will check with the question paper of TRE1 and TRE2, the same contents has been discussed there. That is why listen the words properly. So as far as the fundamentals is concerned, the operating system, types of software, these all are also there. Number system, little bit part of Boolean algebra also, because that is the syllabus of class 11th and 12th. Now coming towards the programming part. In the programming part, most of the time we will have to discuss about the C++ and little bit part of Python. We will provide you the both contents. One will be the C++. We will focus about the C++. Apart from that, it has been seen that few questions was given from the Python too. We are capable to provide you the full contents of the C++ as well as the Python too. So C++ and Python will be the part of your programming part. The first part was the fundamental. Second part is the language, that is the C++ and the Python. And second, from which we will have to discuss, that is the MySQL. The maximum number of questions will come from MySQL, that is the database. Like types of command that is calculated by the DDL, the DML and the TCL also. Apart from that, types of functions. What is the meaning of single row function? What is the meaning of aggregate function? How the join are going to be involved in the MySQL. So you can check it with the questions of TRE1 and TRE2. Whatever the content I am going to tell you, whole content was asked in the TRE1 and TRE2. And with the confidence and with the potential approach, we will try our level best to make yourself understand within the 20 days. It's a word from this platform, Rajdhani Coaching Center, because we have did in the last two TRE1 and TRE2. That's why we are full confident that this time also we are going to provide you the 100% result. For this, come fast and grab your seats so that we can start very soon. Thank you very much.